starters, welcome to Cuisinart. Today we are going to do tawa paratha. The base is very similar to pizza dough. So let's go. We have unbleached all-purpose flour. I took 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2.5 tablespoons of instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of sea salt and half a tablespoon of garlic salt. So basically you need salt 1.5 tablespoons. So you can either go for the normal salt or you can do mix and match of garlic salt and sea salt. We will need 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3/4 cup of warm water, and we are going to mix it. Okay, let's start mixing the ingredients. Out of 2 cups, I took 1 cup of flour in here. I'm going to add the yeast. Make sure you use the correct amount of yeast. Add the salt. I'm adding the garlic salt, and I'm going to add just the half portion of the sea salt. Add the sugar. Mix this mixture properly first. And now start adding water to form the dough. I'm not going to add full quantity of water in here, but I will be adding it slow by slow, and I have to add this flour as well. So we have to make the dough, but we have to keep on adding the water slow and steadily. Also add the oil in between. So the fermentation reaction actually is nothing but the science of mixing yeast, sugar and salt together with the warm water. So as far as you are good with its right quantity, you are good forming the right consistency of the dough, and it will definitely ferment the way you want. Because for pizza dough or for paratha, you want those bubbles out there. So just keep mixing and make the dough out of it. Okay, there you go. Look at it. Whoa. Perfect fermentation. Very nice. Now you need to have the pan wet, okay, and now you are going to place the so put the water in the pan first, so let it be wet, and then you place the naan on top of it. Now as you see, you are seeing the bubbles here, so that's a good sign. Because it was wet, this naan is actually sticking to the pan. Now I'm going to tilt this on the gas. We don't have tandoori, but we have cooking gas, so I'm going to take advantage of that. So as you see how it is cooking, we want little dark brown spots, so till then I'm going to